Now we are seeing the stock price prediction using machine learning and deep learning technique. We can use any stock data from NSE website. We can able to download real-time data. So I have to use the symbol as per this. I am downloading the data set in real time. So this is the data visualization from January to February, 1 year data visualizing through chart. So we have imported the data here. The stock data, CSV data will be imported from NSE website. So we are using the decision tree algorithm, and it gives the accuracy, better accuracy, 99 point. Other accuracy metrics are found. For CNN we are using 25 epochs. So this is the CNN model we are running. And this is the training and validation loss for the epoch 1 to 25. And this is the validation training and validation error in 1 to 25 epoch. So this is the prediction value by CNN algorithm for the specified days, 250 days. Now we can able to forecast, that is for the next 5 days we are forecasting the price of the stock for using the decision tree algorithm. Thank you. All the results are saved in the results folder.